Hello children, in this video we will be learning experiment number 3 of standard 10th. The experiment is classifying chemical reactions into combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. So one by one we will be saying it. Aim of the experiment is to classify the chemical reaction into type of combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement. Now for that we will be performing all these experiments. A. Action of water on quicklime. B. Effect of heat on ferrous sulfate. C. Reaction of copper sulfate with iron nails. And D. Reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride. First we will see action of water on quicklime. So for that we will be requiring a beaker filled with water and the quicklime in the watch glass. Chemical formula for quicklime is calcium oxide. It's white in color, amorphous powder, and the chemical formula is calcium oxide, and this is water. And also we will require the dropper. Children, I have taken the quicklime calcium oxide in the china dish. This is known as china dish, and I'll be taking the water with the help of the dropper, and I want the close observation so that the observation can be recorded in the video very properly. First, put the water on the quicklime. Children, you can see so nicely water react with the quicklime. Very good. Children, I have mixed the calcium oxide in water, and you can see the solution is little cloudy or white in color, and after some time I'll be showing you the observation what happens and what will be the color of the solution after our record of observation. Children, as we have performed the experiment, now we will be observing our observation in the observation table. The first reaction test is we added the water to the quicklime, and you know the formula of quicklime is CaO. When we added water to the quicklime, you all know vigorous reaction took place. Vigorous reaction took place. The noise which was produced was hissing sound. You could clearly see it in the video, hear it in the video. The dish became hot. Gas or the vapor were formed. You could clearly see in the video. The product which was formed is known as slaked lime, and the type of reaction is a combination reaction. Overall we can say combination reaction. Chemical reaction which took place during this process. We know we have taken quicklime, calcium oxide and water. Calcium oxide in solid form, water in liquid form. So we gave calcium hydroxide and heat was released. It's an exothermic reaction, therefore heat was released. Calcium oxide combined with water and formed calcium hydroxide, and therefore it is known as combination reaction. Calcium, H2O and O, 2 atoms of oxygen and 2 atoms of hydrogen. So 2 atoms of oxygen and 2 atoms of hydrogen gave calcium hydroxide, which is also known as slaked lime. Calcium hydroxide. Now we will see the inference. Children, reaction between water and quicklime. This is also known as quicklime, but its molecular formula is CO. Is exothermic reaction. Exothermic means heat is given out. Also heat is given out. Therefore, there were water vapors and hissing sound was produced. It's a combination reaction. We saw in the chemical equation, calcium oxide combined with water and formed calcium hydroxide, which is also known as slaked lime, plus heat. Now the third we will see, when we added water to the powder, and allowed it to remain for some time. Slaked lime settled down. And clear water is seen. Children, we allowed the calcium oxide to settle down, which turned into calcium hydroxide after reaction with water. So slaked lime you can see at the bottom, which has settled down, and the clear water is at the top. Due to gravity, slaked lime settles down and you get the clear water, and this clear water is known as lime water. Clear water is known as lime water, and the bottom, which suspension you can see, that is known as slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice.